With a smile this broad, chances are it will be the first thing you see when you meet Shanique Samuels. After which, you'll see her crutches, then her missing limb. At about age 14, Shanique met in a terrible car accident. It happened while she was having lunch with her classmates on a school trip.
We were there and milling around, and I heard a screeching sound like when zinc scrapes concrete. So by the time I looked up, I saw that a vehicle was coming, and the car slammed into me. The leg was broken.
She lost her right leg. However, she's happy she survived.
It was hard for my family to accept. It was hard for my school friends to accept. And quite frankly, I didn't see it as a bother. I just thought, hey, I didn't die, so let's keep this going.
And with that same energy, she went back to school.
Straight on to CXCs, did 8, got 6, went back to 6th form, did another 2, did 5 Cape, got all of them, moved on to college.
Her current job requires her to travel a lot. That meant having a car. But with her right leg amputated, the standard leg for driving, she had to challenge herself to drive with her left leg.
A lot of persons are still in doubt that I can drive. So really and truly, it doesn't matter which leg you have, as long as you have one. And I always say this, you're born with 2 hands, and your right hand is the dominant hand. Something went wrong with the right hand. What are you going to do? You're going to sit around and do nothing? Or you're going to learn to use the left hand to do whatever you have to do.
Added to that, onlookers, especially children, are fascinated by her missing limb.
Miss, you want to have children? So yes, I do want to have children. And I was like, so how you carry baby?
However, she isn't bothered by the curiosity.
If I wear a dress or a skirt, I have to be extremely careful because they'll stoop down looking if they can find the other part of the leg. So they'll say, Miss, what they do with it? I say, I don't know, maybe they throw it in the rubbish.
But not every day is filled with laughter. Sometimes she faces discrimination. However, it doesn't affect her confidence.
I feel a little down and so on, but usually I'm able to snap out it, but I feel just as good as I look.
Neither does she aspire to wear a prosthesis. Her crutches provide her with independence.
I don't want to sit around and mope around and beg and bawl and wallow in self-pity. And that is the reason why I really pushed myself to ensure that I had gotten an education at the highest level, because if I was depending on somebody to care for me, there is going to come a time when they won't be able to do it anymore.
It is why she's imploring persons to make the best of what they have.
Get up and go work, pick guinea or something, whatever is in season, and go hustle and sell. Don't just sit down every day and shake pan or stretch out your hand. Everybody has to work for what they have.
With a ray of hope, I'm Kayan Morgan.
A ray of hope brought